In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to make double AI characters dance to a social media trending music. Just take a look at this. Remember in my previous video, we learned how to make our baby AI characters to dance, and we used Clean AI to do that. A lot of you complained that the subscription of Clean AI is on the high side. So today I'm going to show you a new tool that is better than Clean because it's absolutely free of charge, and we are going to use it to make our double AI characters to dance. So if you're here right now and you're watching this video, quickly like this video and click on your subscription box if you have not done so. So let's go into it.
So to start with, we are going to get the image that we want to use for this creation, and to get it I want to use my Gemini to get this image. So I'm going to click on the plus sign and then I'll click on my gallery to select my picture. So I'll click on this to add this image. Then I'm going to add a prompt. So I'm going to add this prompt in the description box. So do well to use it as you wish. So I'm going to click on the send to give it time. I'm going to give Gemini time to generate the image. Then once the image is ready, we are going to get a video. There is a video. I already downloaded a video where two people are dancing on TikTok. So we're going to be using that video to generate our own video. Alright, so our image is ready. So you can see this our image here. So I'm going to click on the image and then I'll click on the download button here to download the image. So now I've gotten my image, the image of I and my robot. So that's what I'm going to be using for this dance step. So now our image is ready. We are going to get this video. So I've already gotten this video from TikTok, so I'm going to use it. So right now we are going over to the platform that I want to use for this creation. So, and to do so, just open your Chrome. So once you open your Chrome, just type Degin AI. Type Degin AI, look at it here. So once it opens, you're going to be selecting the first link I have here. Just click on the first link. So it opens like this. Please try and log in with your email address, and then you see where I have create. Just click on create. Then it's going to show you something like this. So the first thing you have to do is see where I have this picture icon. Just click on it to select the AI image that we created. Then you're going to give it time to upload. Then you see here, as it's uploading, you see where I have act motion. So you're going to click on that place I have act motion. So this is where we are going. So now our image is uploaded. So click where I have act motion. So these are different act motion that people already uploaded there. So we are going to be creating our own, and to do so, just click on where I have create. So then you click on where I have create act motion. Click there. Then after that, you click on where I have upload. You see where it says you should upload a video for motion capture. So click on that place. Then we are going to select that video that we want the image to act. So I will allow it to load, but while it's loading, I'm going to add a title to that video, which is funny dance with robots. Then you can add a description. Just add any description of your choice. Add any description of your choice. Then after adding your description, you see where I have create motion. Then you're going to click there to create the motion. We are going to now click on that act motion that we just added. Just click on it and allow it to load. So you can see it loading there. You have to wait until yes, it has completed loading. So after adding the act motion, the next thing we want to do is to click on generate video. So this video is going to generate. So you'll give it time to generate. So once our video is done generating, I will be coming back to complete the tutorial. All right, so now our video is ready. So in case you come back, the platform opens like this and you don't know where to get your video from, just click on the place where you have your name. You see up here where I have my name, just click on it. Click on it, then you see where I have my videos. Click on it, then you're going to be seeing all the videos that you created with this. So this is our video now. I'm going to click on it. Let's watch it. So beautiful. So I think this is very, very nice. So for you to download it, all you need to do is just to click on where I have the download button, and it's going to download straight into your gallery. So but just keep in mind that it's going to be coming with the watermark because you're using the free package for this. So you can now remove the watermark and then post your video in any social media of your choice. So this is it, guys, on how to do this.
Thank you for staying to the end of this video, and like I said before, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so right away. I'll see you in my next video. I remain Akugoma, your editing lioness. Bye.